Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I'm coming at you with another how-to PC video here. This one's going to be talking about how to create desktop icons and add things to either your start menu or to your taskbar at the bottom of your PC to make programs that maybe you've downloaded or want access to a lot easier. And they have made some changes in Windows 10 from previous versions of Windows, so I thought it'd be good to cover. We're going to start off by first going to your start menu down here. Here are pre-generated Windows start menu items, and this is the list of items that are on your PC. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to find Paint. Regular Paint. So under Windows Accessories, there's Paint. I'm going to right click on Paint, and if you just click Pin to Start, it will automatically show up over here. Well, I want to take that a little bit of step farther, and I want to add it to the taskbar. So adding it to the taskbar is pretty easy. You just have to right click on it, hover over More, and then you can say Pin to Taskbar, and then you can see it makes it a quick access icon down here. One thing that they have changed though is how easy it is to get certain things to the desktop. So if you want to get this from the desktop, you used to just be able to right click, hover over this, and say make a desktop icon, or right click and say send to desktop from here. Well, there's a couple more steps now. So to get it on the desktop up here, like Microsoft Edge is, you're going to hover over More, and you're going to click Open File Location. Now when you open File Location, it'll take you to where that is stored in the computer system files. From here, you can right click on Paint, hover over Send To, and then tell it to create a desktop shortcut. And now you successfully added the Paint desktop icon, you linked it on your taskbar, and you added it to your Start Menu Quick Access section. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech, and we'll see you again in the next video.